What's going on, fam? It's your boy Slav, and today we're gonna be taking a look at the Tattoo Tarot. Before we begin, I hope everyone's having a really good day, a blessed day. You know, wherever you are in the world, morning, night, evening, uh, afternoon. I know I haven't been on for quite a while. It's been pretty busy and lazy at the same time, so forgive me for posting this pretty late. I've actually had this for quite some time now, but you know, life. Anyway, so let's get to it. All right, so we got the Tattoo Tarot as you see here. Beautiful box. I'll let you pause that if you want to take a look at it. Okay. Here we go. All right, so before we get started, so this is the guidebook. Comes with the the suits and stuff like that with the readings. Sorry, I just woke up. All right, so that's your guidebook. And here's the cards. Let's get to it. First things first, right off rip from what I can see. I haven't even opened the box up, and this is already... Look at that. So for those that have a pet peeve of warped cards, be on the lookout. Since this doesn't have I've noticed that this tarot deck doesn't have a wrapping. It doesn't have plastic wrap or anything like that, or shrink wrap to protect it. So if you ever see this on the shelves, you could always open it up and, you know, take a look at the cards, see if they're warped. If they are not, then buy them. I highly suggest you buy non-warped cards because warped cards suck ass. Anyway, here we go. Let's get to it. Okay, right off the rip though, I do have to say that the cards are premium. High quality card stock. Pretty strong. They got like that glossy cardboard feel going on. There we are. Emperor, Hierophant. Dude, the actual designs for these cards are beautiful, man. Would I put these on my body as a tattoo? Nah. Do I have any tattoos? That's for the imagination. Don't even know what I look like. You just seen a pair of hands. I'm not gonna lie though, I do want to get a nice little cross around here. That's my next tattoo. Alright, anyway. Look at the death card. That shit is so dope. Alright. I love the designs, man. The artwork is really freaking cool. That's cool, man. I really like that. The moon, the sun, yeah. The world. Well, I think there's a minor... Oh, wow. I didn't notice that. Do they have it on all the cards? Nope. Just these two. That's alright. Ace of Cups, Two of Cups. Let's hurry up and skim through these. Y'all already know the suits. Out of all the videos that I've done. Okay. They could have been a little bit better with the last 3 or 4 cards. Okay, Ace of Wands. Okay. Your standard. Yeah, these are pretty basic. Oh, there goes another blemish. I guess you could say the cards have birthmarks. There's another one right there. It's hidden, but it's there. Yeah, this is some plain Jane stuff, man. I gotta say, I was really hoping that it would be a little bit better, but even though it is kind of plain Jane, the artwork is pretty detailed and it's actually very nice to look at. So no complaints here on my end. It's just a plain deck so far. Nothing really extravagant is going on with these cards, but the vibrancy, the way they feel, the card stock, it's all nice. I can tell they're not going to get how do you say, stuck together, because they have that glossiness to them, which is pretty cool. You could always pause if I'm going too fast for you, but it's pretty much plain cards right here. Okay, so let's see how the shuffle is. Here we go. Right off rip, since they're warped, I already don't like the way they feel. Oh boy. Let's go ahead and get a nice even half and half going on. Excuse the... Just clean this thing. Okay. Okay. They're pretty strong. So it's going to have to get some getting used to. Now, I must say, they are going to warp like crazy. These cards are going to warp as soon as like you start shuffling them, and the more you shuffle them, they're going to warp like crazy. So this isn't a very strong deck as I was hoping, but I mean this is a strong deck to the point where it's going to warp. See? Like it's already warping. It was already warped, but now it's even more warped. It's a shame. It's a real shame. But the shuffle is nice. I do like that. They do shuffle pretty well, so I'll give them that. And I guess, you know, even if you got a warp deck, you could always iron them out. What I suggest is taking like a shirt or whatever, putting a couple cards underneath the shirt and then ironing it to make them straight. But besides that, that's it. All right. Let's take a card real quick. Queen of Swords. Nice. All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It really wasn't as extravagant as I would have liked and hoped, but it's a quick little video to help pass the time. I will be getting a new deck pretty soon, and I will be posting a little bit more in the coming weeks or months or whatever you want to call it. As soon as I get the new deck, that's when I'm going to start recording. It's been quite some time since I've been MIA. So there you have it, folks. Tattoo Tarot. Did you like it? Are you picking it up? Let me know down in the comment section below. Until next time, guys. Blessed be, fam. Blessed be.